Let's practice some Excel 2013 tables. You can download this file from sdrv.ms/1k capital R capital M K4S. So we can see that this already looks like a table. We have some very powerful brand name companies here. I'm gonna click and highlight this entire table, and we're gonna try playing with the table styles. Go to the Design tab and hit this bottom arrow to see more table styles, and just choose the one that looks good. I'm just going to choose this one here. It's not too bad. Now let's play with these table style options. Within the Design tab, you will see these table style options. The header row refers to the top row with all the different categories. In this case, it's months. The total row refers to this bottom row here, which totals up the values, which happens to be the total of this column here. In the case where we actually had grand totals for each company here, subtotals, this total row would be more appropriate, where you'd be adding up all the subtotals to create a grand total. So I'm going to deselect that. The banded rows refers to the fact that we have different shades of gray going alternating, which looks pretty cool. And the first column refers to the fact that we're going to colorize this first column, and the last column means we're going to colorize the last one, just for aesthetic purposes. Banded columns means aesthetically we're going to alternate in terms of the columns. And the filter button here, sometimes it's annoying how things get blocked, so you might want to disable that, but having it is also nice because there's lots of filtering that we can do very conveniently by clicking on these drop down arrows. So let's go on ahead and add this total row. Now I'm going to change the word total to average, and I'm just going to make this font consistent here. Let me just change the font size to 14, and I'm going to type in a formula here, equals average, and this is the case where you can click and highlight the numbers you want to average and press enter. So this is the average amount. I'm going to delete that and try it a different way. So this cell here, you can also go to auto sum, and the drop down arrow here within the home tab, you can choose average, and that's another way of getting the same result. Now I'm going to use autofill to grab the bottom right corner till I see the black plus sign. I'm going to autofill the averages all the way across here, and I'm going to delete this information in this last column because I don't need it. So I'm going to right click column N and choose delete. We no longer need this. Now I want my averages to have the same money format, so I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to choose on this home tab accounting number format $ button, and that's the way I want it. Now to finish off this challenge, just going to remove the formatting. So this is very nice and pretty. It's all done for you. But if you wanted to clean it up a bit, one idea is to highlight the table and to go to the Design tab, and within the table styles you could choose none. That's one option of cleaning it up. Of course, you can even get rid of the filter button. Another option would be to simply go to the home tab and choose clear formats. That'd be another option. But I'm going to press Ctrl Z because I love the way my table looks, and it's great that we can save time by using some preset table formats. And if you focus on being productive rather than always trying to reinvent the wheel, perhaps one day you'll be working for one of these wonderful companies.